Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to reset Wi-Fi settings on your iPhone. If you are using an iPhone and now you want to reset your Wi-Fi settings, so let's see how can you do it. First, you have to open your settings app and scroll down, and settings you can get the general option. Just tap on it. In general, just scroll to the end, and here you'll get an option which is transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on it and then tap on reset and reset. You will get reset network settings. Just tap on it. After tapping on this, you just have to enter your passcode, and then you have an option to reset network setting. You just have to tap on this, and after that your Wi-Fi will reset to your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.